So you've designed a great t-shirt. Now it's time to share it with the world. But how? Photoshop mockups are the perfect way to make your designs look professionally presented, complete with real-world photo elements and clever design techniques. To help you find the best ones for your project, we've put together a countdown of the top 10 t-shirt Photoshop mockups on Envato Elements. Let's get started. Number 10, T-shirt Mockup by Jill Studio. Our first Photoshop mockup is incredibly versatile. At a resolution of 3200 by 4000 pixels and 300 dpi, it's suitable for social media posts, posters, websites, or anywhere you want to promote your products. Well-organized layers and smart objects make the file very easy to customize, whether that means changing t-shirt colors, graphics, background colors, or even the pants that the model is wearing. Number 9, T-shirt Mockups by Sage's Mask. When mulling over a t-shirt design, people want to see the full picture. This mockup does just that, featuring multiple front and back shots of a sample shirt. Its 6 files are well organized and built with smart objects for easy editing. It offers plenty of detail thanks to its high resolution, and a PDF help file is also included to guide you through the editing process. Number 8, Men's T-shirt Mockup by Visaki. Now this is variety. Number 8 in our list is packed with 5 high-quality scenes portraying a model in a variety of positions. It's great for mixing up your promotional shots and lends itself well to complex designs. You can easily change the color of the t-shirt to any shade or gradient you want, adjust highlights and shadows, and get a photorealistic look. Number 7, T-shirt Mockup by Bruno Nunes DP. Highly detailed and incredibly simple to use, this t-shirt mockup kit is ideal for personal and commercial applications alike. Its 5 scenes are composed of multiple model poses, including a hands in pocket position with realistic shadows. All designs can be customized to your liking and include the option to add additional colors, highlights, and gradients. Number 6, T-shirt Mockup Volume 5 by Retrobox. The t-shirt mockup showcased here comes with 3 PSD files, each of which feature the design in a different way. The first pose is a full frontal shot of the model wearing the shirt, with separate options for the background and t-shirt colors. The second pose takes on a more casual style, while the third flips things to show the back of the design. All files are well organized and very simple to customize, with all background images included. Love these t-shirt Photoshop mockups? Envato Elements has everything you've seen so far and more. Our library of creative designs has everything you need to make your project stand out. Get unlimited downloads of graphics, templates, royalty-free music, and everything you'd need to create stunning projects faster. Sign up today via the link in the description below. Number 5, T-shirt Mockup featuring a man with sunglasses by Epic Templates. Want to know what your shirt design will look like in the wild? This mockup can show you. It's unique from others on our list with a real-world photo of a man in a vintage record store. His shades are a subtle accessory that adds personality to the design. Download this pack and take your shirt designs to the real world. Number 4, T-shirt Mockup Volume 1 by Pune Design. If you liked the last t-shirt mockup, then you'll love number 4 in our countdown. The pack contains 12 different real-world shots of a sample shirt. The female model can be seen in a variety of poses, sitting on a skateboard and walking through nature. This is a great option if you're looking to showcase your designs with context. Number 3, Boys T-shirt Mockup by Visaki. This mockup is ideal for targeting children or parents. It features a young boy in 4 poses on a large stone outdoors. With different types of lighting and shadows in each shot, you can display your designs with plenty of realism. Each file has a very high resolution, making it suitable for websites, banners, overlays, and even printed advertisements like posters or billboards. Number 2, T-shirt Mockup Street Edition Volume 1 by Mint Mockups. This set of mockups makes use of urban-style settings to give your designs an edgy vibe. It has shots of both a man and a woman wearing different t-shirts in street and alley locations. Both the white and dark t-shirts are adjustable to any color you want, complete with full bleed background options for a seamless look. Number 1. T-shirt Mockup by Artimasa Studio. And now for the top spot in our list. A sharp shot with uncannily realistic mock-up graphics. Built with smart objects, it's a breeze to customize with your own designs. Change the hue and saturation of the label color, customize the background, and enjoy a professional image that'll give your t-shirt designs the presentation they deserve. Everything can be done in minutes, and you won't lose any quality along the way. Ta-da! That's our full list of the top 10 t-shirt Photoshop mockup kits on Envato Elements. Did you have a favorite? What traits do you think make a great t-shirt mockup? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We're always posting new countdowns. In the meantime, the video to the right of your screen has more great design resources. Check it out now. See you in the next one.